One of the biggest challenges for any liquid feeder is fermentation of products. Fermentation is where yeasts and bacteria come into contact with things from the environment, which then create acids and alcohols. This can then affect the palatability of the food and also the gut health of the pig. One of the main ways to control fermentation is through good hygiene. On this unit, we periodically wash out our liquid storage tanks outside, and on a daily basis, twice a day, these tanks are washed inside with a washing mechanism and then also sprayed with an acid to reduce fermentation. It is also important to make sure that your water is of good quality and have it regularly tested. And it's also important to make sure that your feed pumps are working correctly so that you don't end up with any sedimentation in the line. To reduce fermentation in our troughs, we make sure that we have a break during the feeding day. During this break, we make sure that the pigs clear the food up in the trough before we start feeding them again. This is very important that the stockman checks this. On a restrict feeding system, it is very important that the troughs are clean before the next feed.